Hey guys, I'm Adrienne Justine, owner of SoFlo Braids. In today's video, I'm going to show you 3 fun and easy ways to style your braids inspired by my lovely clients who are always asking me for ideas. Okay, so first of all, I usually wear side parts when I'm wearing braids, so most of these styles will be with a side part, but you can switch it up. You can have a center part or off center with any of these styles that I'm about to show you. Also, in case you're wondering, these are passion twists and I will link the hair that I use on myself and my clients in the description box below. So for this style, I section off a side bang at the front and then secure the rest of the top half of my braids with a scrunchie or hair tie. And that's it. It's super simple, super cute. I could definitely see Ariana Grande wearing her hair like this if she had braids. From the ARIANA, we're going to the PENELOPE by simply taking that bang we left out, rolling it away from your face, then using a braid close to your ear, pull the bang back, secure it by wrapping it around that top ponytail, and when you get to the end of that braid, just pin it. So for this style, you're going to take 2 braids from the nape of your neck, which we'll get back to in a sec. Then you're going to start rolling both sides of your hair away from your face until you reach the very back of your head. As I mentioned earlier, I wear my hair with a deep side part, so most of my braids fall on one side. Once you finish rolling both sides back, you're going to take the 2 braids we separated earlier and use them to tie your hair in place. I don't know why, but this gives me Halle Bailey vibes. Okay guys, so that is it. I hope you enjoyed all these styles. Comment below which one was your favorite, and thank you so much for watching. See you next time.